It's not PC. Are you recording this? I'm not having this recording.
We're all friends here.
Right. Let's play Knock Knock. Start off.
Come on, let's have this non-PC joke.
No, not on camera.
The camera's on Hamish, it's fine.
I bet. Well, I don't know, okay. Well, there's a man and a husband, they're going on holiday. So they just get off the plane, you know, arrive at their hotel, and they're going past the pool. So he thinks it'll be really funny to push her in. So he pushes her in the pool, and she starts drowning, and she doesn't swim, and it's really embarrassing. So he gets a bit embarrassed and like pulls her out and stuff. And she's just like, that really wasn't funny, you know I can't swim. And he's like, well, you didn't have to make such a fuss about it, that was quite great, thanks. He's like, that was quite embarrassing. And she's just like, well, you're the one that has to go in there and get my wheelchair. See, not very PC. And I'm a social worker, not good. Don't put this anywhere, might lose my job.
What's the hardest?
That's awful! That's not even funny, did you get that one?
No, I got the punchline, I didn't get the joke.
That was an awful joke. I thought it was going to be like a good vegetable joke, but it was just a disableist joke.
Would you rather be a fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit. What would you rather be?
Fruit.
Why?
I'm so gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Oh, it's so wet! Oh, it smells! Oh, it smells so bad.